Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go right over here, and right here, and I'm going to go to my sequence. Now, the first one here is combi. This is program, rather. This is combi. We're going to go in sequence mode. This is the best way to use your Korg Triton with your MPC4000. As you can see, in sequencer mode, we can have several different tracks at the same time. Okay, so now we can set up our tracks. Now, each one of these tracks can correspond to a MIDI output. Here's how we do it. We're going to go here to our menu, a little wide angle. I'm going to press menu. We'll zoom in. I'm going to go to track parameters. Now here, as you can see, we still have these numbers on top from 1 to 8. We can also press right here, and we can have from 9 through 16. And here it's 1 through 8. So channel 1 is MIDI channel 1. Track 1 is MIDI channel 2. Well, this is 2, and this is 2. Track 1 is MIDI channel 1. Track 2 is MIDI channel 2. Track 3 is MIDI channel 3. 4 is 4. 5 is 5. 6 is 6. 7 is 7. And track 8 is 8. And 9 is the same. This is the default that happens when you turn on your Korg Triton. I'll go back to MIDI 1. And so that means if I place it in this part, it's from MIDI channel 1. So I'm going to set it back up. I'm going to go back to menu. I'd actually go exit. See, I'm right back there. So now I can set this track. I'll click right here. I can select any instrument I'd like to in this sequence mode. We're not going to use the sequencer, but we're going to use the sequencer section as though the Korg Triton was a module. You know, multi-timbral, meaning we can use several instruments at the same time. So here I can pick a bass sound of anyone I'd like to, of my choosing. I'll pick, let's say, for example, this dark bass. A little fretless bass might be kind of nice too. Okay? I'll press OK. And that sound now appears there. And you can see that. It's right, it says fretless bass. See that? And that's track 2. So here I'm making sure that's here, but that here actually says track 1. See that? I'll press OK. Now, press there, turn my data wheel, and that's track 1. This data wheel, I can select any track I want to once I'm there. Now I can go to here to keyboards. I can call it strings, or bells, or organ. See that? I can go to guitar. I can select from all the guitars that are in the machine. I can select woodwind and select several sounds. I can keep going here, as you can see, and we can see all the sounds we have that are woodwind we can select from on our Korg Triton. I can go to guitar and go to here, or go to there, or to here, and pick the guitar sound I like. Pick banjo if I want to, press OK, and we have a guitar right there. And see, it says banjo right there. We can do this for all 8 tracks that are on our Korg Triton. And we'll select the sound, pick the right sound for that track. Let's record something.